Hi, my name is Beth Parker. I'm the coordinator of secondary education and special programs for Mays, and looking forward to telling you a little bit about my experiences so far with educational facilities and what I look forward to learning. Well, I am married and am the oldest of 4 girls in my family. We grew up on a farm, a cattle feedlot, and we all remain pretty close, so enjoy getting together. I have 2 nieces that are adorable, and those are times of good stress relief. I also enjoy working with old furniture, working outdoors, and baking. In my role, it's a new one, and just started at July 1st. Already learned a tremendous amount. I'll be working with the 4,000 students we have in our district that are in grades 6 through 12. We have multiple high schools, middle schools, and a virtual program. In that capacity, I'll be working with assessments, curriculum, and instruction, and will also be the board-appointed hearing officer, the District 504 coordinator, and the liaison with our special education cooperative. I look forward to learning about the planning, design, and construction of school facilities. Currently, we're in our 3rd year of a bond issue project, and so I've learned more about capital outlay improvements. Look forward to finding out more. I would like to know more about managing staff members that oftentimes aren't tied to a particular building or even campus. We have so many maintenance personnel, and really looking at building a vision with them, getting them on board with the district goals, and find out about management of those departments. Looking forward to learning more about emerging technology tools, as those are used to ensure that current processes are being efficient, but also finding out problems before they get to be too big. And then something I know a little bit more about, but look forward to finding out about how other districts are using them at our safety audits and crisis planning. My experience so far, you can see, are listed there in those five bullets on the screen. And if we take a look at those real quick, in our district, we just went through a transition, moving from one overall maintenance and operations manager to 3 departments, each led by a supervisor. So we have someone that's working with plumbers and electricians and grounds crew, someone that's working with both district employed custodial staff as well as our contracted staff that comes in the evenings, and then an HVAC supervisor that is also working with people that are doing hands-on work in the schools, besides working with our automated systems. School safety, I, as a former assistant and associate principal here in our district, worked a lot with crisis planning, our school resource officers. We have an excellent assistant superintendent of personnel and operations that conducts annual safety audits, taking a look in every building at prop doors, the number of outlets, making sure that access panels are not blocked, making sure that all of the alarm systems are functioning, and just making sure that our school is as safe as can be. I work with transportation an awful lot. Learned a lot more about state regulations and our school board policies here in the last 6 weeks as we've gone through the enrollment process and all of those busing requests coming in. As I mentioned, we've been going through a bond process, and we're in our 3rd year of construction. We've added an early childhood center, a career and technical education. We've renovated several athletic spaces, added FEMA shelters to our largest high school, and we'll have the opportunity to continue to just make some improvements around the district throughout the rest of this year. And then probably the area where I've worked the most when it comes to facilities is with our special education needs. We have to work a lot with our maintenance crew and custodians when it comes to meeting the needs of our students that need safe places to be at different times. Maybe they need a particular door lock or a particular type of door. And so collaborating with our special education cooperative, our maintenance crews, custodians, our teachers, and families so that we can make sure we have those needs met. So those are my experiences. Those are things that I look forward to learning about, and look forward to working with you over the next few weeks. Thanks for listening.